Hey, this is Chill Pillsbury again, coming to you from Marinemax here in Seabrook, Texas. Today, we got a really special boat to talk about. It's the all-new Sea Ray 250 SDX, what we still call a sun deck. Now, this boat was completely redesigned and retooled for this year, and I know when we get aboard and I show you some of the features on it, you're gonna be really impressed. First thing you'll notice is we've got the sea deck on our swim platform. Nice, big, unencumbered swim platform, easy to get on and off the boat. And then right here you have a swing down swim step. Great for when you're just out there anchored up, wanting to sit in the water, kind of just relax. Helps also get back in the boat. And then you do have a swing down stainless 4-step ladder as well. As we get on board the boat, you'll notice, you can't help but notice, the huge rear-facing sun pad. Now this is all new, again, for 2018. They increased the size on this, but this is also nice because now this has all become part of the cockpit entertainment area. So with just the flip of the backrest, it really changes up the whole dynamic of the boat. Plenty of wraparound seating in the boat, built-in storage underneath all the seats. Again, we have another articulating seat right here for either forward or rear facing. As we move over to the helm, again, a nice wide helm seat that will articulate with a bolster. So this is a really easy helm to work with. Nice big analog gauges, got the tilt wheel, and of course the Rockford Fosgate stereo system that we put in all the Sea Rays. And then the digital throttle and shift. That's running back to a 300 horsepower Merc Cruiser with a Bravo 3 drive, which is the twin counter-rotating props. Nice built-in ski locker in the floor, but here's the real cool feature on this boat. Instead of just having a head compartment, you actually have a cuddy. And this is a Sea Ray exclusive, and the only way to accomplish that was moving the center walk-through over to the port side. So a lot of really great thought and engineering went into that. Then when you get up to the open bow, it's nice and deep, very safe, lots of seating up here. Of course, you've got plenty of storage up here as well. Built-in anchor locker. All the speakers are really nicely located up here so that the sound is gonna resonate all the way throughout the boat. And then you'll notice that this windshield, it's totally unencumbered. It's one-piece glass. So it's gonna give you a lot better visibility as you're going down the lake. It's just a safer way to do things. And then the tower that we put on these boats, these are all built just for Sea Ray. Extra long bimini top so that you get more sun coverage. And of course, that tower will come down if you have a height restriction, maybe storing it in a boathouse or a garage or something like that. But so much to talk about on the new 2018 Sea Ray 25 Sun Deck. You really need to come down and see it. You owe it to yourself if you're looking for this type of boat because it's gonna amaze you.